Assalamu alaikum, my students. Okay, so today we will be solving 9709 paper 11 October November 2023, and this is question number 1. Okay, so this is from binomial expansion, and let's solve it. So expand 1 plus 3x to the whole power of 6 in ascending powers of x up to and including the term in x square. So we have to expand it till x square, right? Okay, so how do we expand a binomial expansion? So a plus b to the whole power n, right? So it is in this form, right? A plus b to the whole power n, which would be a to the power n into plus nc1 multiplied by a to the power n minus 1 into b. Then plus nc2 multiplied by a to the power n minus 2 and b to the power 2. Okay. So we have 1 plus 3x to the whole power of 6, where a equals to 1, b equals to 3x, and n equals to 6. So we'll just put these things a, b, and n in the formula. Okay. Let me just change the pen. Okay. So 1 to the power of 6 plus 6c1 times a, which is 1 to the power of 5, and 3x. Then 6c2 times a to the power n minus 2, which is 1 to the power 4. Okay, so we can just write it as 1 because any power of 1 is actually equals to 1. And then b to the square, which is 3x to the whole square. Remember to use the brackets and put the square outside the bracket, not just 3x square. It would be 3x to the whole square. Okay, let's just solve it now. So this would be 1 plus 6c1 would be 6c1 times 3, which would make it 18x, and then 6c2 times 9. 3 to the square would be 9, right? So it would be 135x square. This would be x square. When this bracket is open, this would be x square. So this is our answer to this question: 1 plus 18x plus 135x square. Let's try to solve the b part. Hence, find the coefficient of x square in the expansion of this. So I can see that 1 minus 7x plus x square, and this thing is from our previous part A, and we can also see the question mentioning the word of hence. So we have to use our answer from the previous part, which is coming out to be 1 plus 18x plus 135x square. So we don't need to just expand it to the power of x to the power 6 because it just needs us to find the coefficient of x square. So if you multiply the constant term with the x square term, you will get a coefficient of x square. So it would be 135x square, right? Then if you multiply the x term with simply the x term, you will get the x square term, which would be minus 7 times 18. It would be negative 120x square. Okay? Then 1 times x square times 1, sorry, x square times 1, that would be simply plus 1 x square. So it would be 135 negative 126 plus 1, which is coming out to be 10x square simply. So the coefficient of x square is actually 10. Okay, if you do have any queries, please tell me in the comments. I'll try to solve. I'll try to answer your queries. And also, if you have any particular question you want me to solve, you can also send me the question in the comments. See you in the next video.